In this video, I want to show you how I made the shelves behind me on the wall. Before we had the shelves, all the things on the wall were just piled on from the ledge here to the ceiling in a not a very organized way, such that things are hard to find and not so easy to take out, especially when they're on the bottom. Now with the shelves, everything is organized, easy to find at a glance, and we can take out things as we need it. I got the boards from Home Depot. These are 10 feet oak boards, and the shelves are put together with only wood dowels and wood glue. The shelves are supported by these steel brackets from ironsupports.com, and this one is called a farmhouse shelf bracket. Works pretty well. The brackets are screwed into the wood studs, every other stud, such that the shelf span is 32 inches. To make sure that the shelves don't sag, the boards are reinforced on the front and the back edge with those 2x1 oak boards. So in the rest of the video, I will show you the process of how I made one of the 10 feet shelves. If you like this video, please press the like and subscribe button. Thank you. I hope you enjoy the video. We'll start with a 10-foot oak board, and we're gonna be making a shelf that is reinforced by these 1x2 oak boards. One on the back, like this, and one on the front, line to the bottom, will look like that at the end. Measurements for the dowels are already made on the 1x2 boards. So transfer that to the 1x10 board here. Close up. I do the marking using the square ruler. There's already a marking here, so it's consistent every time I mark it. I also put a cross at where I'm going to drill, so it's consistently in the middle. So ready to drill the holes using this router. Routers will go over like this, and then there's a guide here that makes sure the router bit is always at the right distance from the surface, from the edge. And then drill down a certain distance. There's a stopper here that is control the distance, the depth. And move on. Drill the next one, like that. Okay. Okay, it's time to get dusty. Put on my dust mask. Hi, in this video I want to show you how I made the oak shelves behind the. So in the following